Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast, in a stunning ice blue color. This car is the epitome of luxury, speed, and cutting-edge technology, and we're about to dive deep into everything it has to offer. From the exterior design to the interior features, performance, and even the price, we've got all the details you need. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about the exterior. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is absolutely jaw-dropping in that ice blue color. This shade really highlights the car's muscular, yet elegant design. The sleek, aerodynamic lines flow seamlessly from the front to the back, enhancing both the aesthetics and performance. The aggressive front grille and the sharp headlights give it that unmistakable Ferrari face, bold and confident. As you move around the car, you'll notice the rear end is sculpted with precision, housing quad tailpipes that emit a roar any sports car lover will appreciate. The overall design balances luxury with the raw power that Ferrari is known for. Moving inside, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast continues to impress. The interior is a masterclass in luxury and performance. The cabin is a perfect blend of fine leather, premium materials, and advanced technology. The seats are sporty yet incredibly comfortable, offering the right amount of support for those thrilling drives. The steering wheel is beautifully designed, with all the controls at your fingertips. It's all about that driver-focused experience. And the dashboard? It's a futuristic display with a digital cluster and a large central screen, making it both functional and visually stunning. Ferrari also pays attention to the smallest details with custom stitching and high-quality finishes that create a truly refined atmosphere. Now, let's talk about performance, where this car really shines. Under the hood, the 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is powered by a 6.5-liter V12 engine that produces a staggering 789 horsepower. That power is sent to the rear wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which means acceleration is blistering fast. We're talking 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. The engine's response is razor-sharp, and it sounds absolutely glorious as it roars through the rev range. Whether you're cruising on the highway or hitting the track, the handling is precise, and the suspension keeps you glued to the road. The car also comes with Ferrari's innovative handling and traction systems, making sure you get the most out of every drive, whether you're in the city or taking it to the track. Now, let's talk about the price. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast is undoubtedly a high-end performance machine, and with that comes a premium price tag. Starting at around $400,000, this car isn't for the faint of heart when it comes to budget, but for those who can afford it, you're getting a true piece of automotive excellence. Of course, there are plenty of customization options, so you could end up paying more depending on your preferences. So, there you have it. The 2025 Ferrari 812 Superfast in ice blue is a true masterpiece in every sense. From its striking exterior to its luxurious interior, blistering performance, and exclusive price tag, it's everything you expect from Ferrari and more. If you're in the market for a car that offers a perfect blend of speed, style, and sophistication, this should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. Catch you in the next one.